Hello, welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, so let's continue our work of a trial with L system, Lindenmayer system. So last time, in lesson 129, we drew our variations of cock curve, like, uh, yeah, Cesaro or square cock or Levy curve, like this, using L system. And we have seen that L system is a very powerful tool to draw fractal curves very easily. Okay, today we're gonna draw again a simple fractal tree, which we drew several lessons back, with this time using L system. Okay, let's try this. New kind of factor is added. Okay, simple branching tree using an L system. So the title goes forward and then returns to previous points. That's how the simple tree is drawn. Okay, by the way, the simple branching tree is what we tried previously like this. Okay, so let's continue. So then here, the current state is stored using a stack, a new one. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so we can use the same code as this. Yeah, cock variations. So let's make a copy of this by save as EL130 um, simple tree else's. Okay, so here, what we need to do is change the rules. Okay, init is the simple tree. Init is just x, which is kind of just a symbol without without drawing anything. But then x is then transformed to this one. A little strange. New elements are here. So let's anyway copy this. So here init is x. Okay, large upper X. And the rule is X goes to, say, okay, X goes to F, and then left square bracket, plus X, right bracket, and again, left bracket, minus X, and left bracket. That's all. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, init is x and x is transformed to f, this one and this one. It's interesting. So now, well, what does this square bracket mean? Actually, that's for controlling using a stack. You know what stack is? Stack is a kind of list element which can store any tuples or list. Okay, here use left bracket means save as a tuple of position, heading, and branch length. Here, let's write this. Stack dot append and append this tuple of position, current heading, and length s. Okay, let's try this. So to do that, in addition to these, we have initially element, which is a stack, which is a empty list. Okay, we use stack as a initialized as empty list. This part is the same. We do nothing. About drawing, we add two new elements. Okay, if C is F forward plus left by angle minus right by angle, and then if C is right square bracket. Okay, then what we're going to do is, as I wrote, stack.append, meaning that we will push the tuple of t dot position, current position, and then t dot heading, current heading, the orientation of the turtle and current S. Okay. Wow. Now we will see how this will do the magic. Okay. That's the first element. And then we will reduce the branch length by multiplying by 0.8. Okay. Then S times equal 0.8. Good. One more element is what we do with the right bracket. In case of right bracket, restore the previous state and state, meaning the position, orientation, and length by stack.pop. Okay, so the the same shape tuple is popped and then assigned each to pos, head, and s. Okay, let's write this. So here, else, elif c equals right bracket, then, okay, pos, head, and s equals stack dot pop. This is interesting. Okay. So, and then restore the states. Depending on what we got from popping, we will go to the position. Then we will set heading. Yeah, set heading to the popped heading. And S is already here. So this is all we need to do. This is interesting. Let's see what will come out. Okay. So I don't know how well does. Okay, and then the degree, the default degree should be, say, let's try 30 degrees. Okay, and maybe we can enlarge a bit, like 500. That's all. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Changing this to D to 1. Actually, if you set D to 0, it does nothing because it's just X here. So it does nothing. Um, if we change 1, we will do the first interpretation. Okay, let's draw this. Okay, we will have trace, we will trace the movement and see how it looks like. Okay, it's horizontal, so we might want to change the orientation to upward, set heading by 90 degrees, and the length was too long, maybe 300. Okay, the original starting position should be minus 500 and 0. Okay. No, no, no. X coordinate 0 and say minus 200. Let's try this. Okay, good. This is what we have by d equal 1. Let's see what we will have with d equals 2. Good. This is a very familiar shape. Okay, 3. And we will have a little faster version. Okay. Good. Very good. It seems it's working. Let's have it 5. Okay, good. It's working. It's a familiar simple tree. Maybe it can be a little larger. And at the same time, okay, maybe 500 is good. And then we will have this t to 8, say, and we will have tracer off, and we will have a little thicker pen to set to, say, width, say, 4. Let's see how it looks like. Good. It's working. Maybe the length is not good. So Maybe 1.2 is fine. Okay, good. Zero point 0.3, maybe better. Okay, so good. Now we see by simply we can draw um, very good stripe. So in this case, for example, if the depth is 10, depth is 8, the symbol length is 2041, consisting of F's, lots of F's and X. Okay? You can see how it works, how it's working. And lastly, yeah, we can, just like the previous case, we can change color depending on the height of the tree. So to do that, there is a way to check the current height by using the stack length, the present stack length. So I'll tell you how to do that. Um, for example, if you, okay, we will try it. So we will have in draw here, before going forward, we can first check the height, which is n equal length of current stack. Okay? If it's large, it's higher. Then t, for example, color to say 0 n times g and 0. And then we can t dot down and go forward by s and d up, pen up. Okay, you will see how this looks like. Okay, let's change it to 6 and see how it looks like. Good, it's working. Let's see how we change it to 8. Yeah, this is what we wanted. We can change the width to say 6. Do we have any 6 here? Okay, I think it's good enough. So this is a very familiar colorful tree, simple tree. And as we saw, it's very simple. The rule is simple, only two, yeah, one line here. And there are two elements, new elements here, which is a left bracket, which is to push the current state, heading, and length to stack, and right bracket, which is to pop from the stack to three things and reset to the current state, to the previous state before branching. So you will try to see how it's working. I hope you like it. Please come back. Bye bye.